In this video, I will show you how to download and install Happy Mod on iOS, iPhone, or iPad. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings and then make sure that you are in general settings. Scroll all the way down until you see background, up refresh, and then click on this. And then make sure that you choose the Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then after that, go back and click on Safari and then search for Google. And then type here the Happy Mod. And then choose this, click on it, and click on download now here. And then click on download. And then click on download again. And then wait for it to download. And then after that, click on this download icon, click on Happy Mod. So you will see that it is not working here. So the next method is go to settings and then click on general and then click on VPN and device management here, and then here it is not connected. So you need to sign in to work or school account to connect the VPN here. And once you sign in, the happy mod is working and starting working. And that's it guys. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.